Imagine expanding your living space and slashing your energy bills by a jaw-dropping 75%. Sounds impossible, right? Yet, that's exactly what happened with this standout home in Tunbridge Wells, United Kingdom. But here's where things get controversial. The house actually grew by 27% in size and still managed to drastically lower its energy consumption. A result that goes against what most people expect when adding square footage. This remarkable project, featured in our daily spotlight on favorite homes submitted by architects, designers, and homeowners, is a testament to both innovation and resourcefulness. If you've ever wanted to share your own inspiring space, the opportunity awaits in our vibrant community. Let's dive into the details. The transformation is the brainchild of Studio Bark, using the modular U-build timber system. What's truly fascinating is that the homeowners Colin and Grace didn't just sit back and watch the renovation unfold. They rolled up their sleeves and took part in building the extension themselves. Talk about empowering and a little daring. The house had sat untouched for half a century, plagued by cold drafts, dampness, and a layout ill-suited for raising two young kids. Their mission? Create a cozy, energy-efficient home that honors its Victorian heritage while embracing the needs of a lively family. They wanted every room to feel open, connected, and happy. Studio Bark answered with a whole house makeover, including a brand new 540-square-foot rear extension. The added space now hosts a spacious kitchen and dining area, a practical utility room, and a pantry thoughtfully shaped around a cherished inherited dresser. That personal touch most people miss. There's even a new side entrance for convenience. Stealing the show inside is a striking triple-height atrium, right where the old meets the new. Imagine walking in and seeing sunlight pour down from skylights as the iconic Victorian staircase elegantly winds around this central hub. It's a bold design that bridges zones in the house while safeguarding privacy. Studio Bark's approach celebrates original period features, like detailed architraves, intricate plasterwork. Studio Bark upgraded insulation using natural, low-impact materials, think cork, sheep wool, and wood fibers, to keep the house breathable, airtight, and protected from moisture. Factor in cleverly placed skylights and a zone-based room layout, and the result is a home that's not just energy-smart, but a delight to live in. Here's the controversy. Despite traditional thinking that a bigger house means bigger bills, this project cut operational carbon by a whopping 68%. Thanks to a mechanical ventilation heat recovery system, MVHR, underfloor heating, and an air source heat pump. Is it time to rethink everything we know about expanding homes and cutting energy? Does hands-on building with modular, sustainable materials hold the key to a greener future? Or do you see pitfalls in this approach? Drop your thoughts below. Would you be brave enough to tackle a project like this with your own family? Or do you think the blend of old and new creates aesthetic tension? Let's hear your takes.